Hey guys, today's video is one I think you're going to really enjoy. We're going to be inside Disney California Adventure, inside the Cars Land area, riding on Mater's Junkyard Jamboree. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you want to show us your support, please subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy the video.
I'm no stranger to fame. Everyone here knows my name. I was just fighting for the good guys, a hero in England and France, more than a little romance. No matter where I travel. Here does buzz. Sure, you can't get me. No, you can't get me. I'm no stranger to fame. Everyone here knows my name. I'm just a truck full of stories. I even got noses in Spain.
I always have a blast every time I go on Mater's Junkyard Jamboree. It's kind of like the Silly Symphony Swings, where it was never a ride that was at the top of my list to do. And just recently, in the last 3 to 5 years, I've become much more of a fan of Mater's Junkyard Jamboree. What's weird is it's kind of like the teacups of Disney California Adventure, and the teacups kind of make me dizzy and give me some motion sickness, but for some reason Mater's doesn't do that. I just think it's a whole lot of fun the way it swings you around those cars. It just makes for a really good time. We always laugh a bunch when we're on that ride and have a really good time. I wish it was longer. It's a very short ride, but overall I really enjoy Mater's Junkyard Jamboree. I sure hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and if you want to show us your support, please subscribe to our channel. Bucket Day Adventures is also available on Instagram, and please remember to take time out of your day to do something fun to fill your bucket. Thanks for watching, and take care.